to update the firmware on your Garmin Fenix 8, Tactix 8 or Enduro 3, it's all the same thing. All you need to do is to press and hold the menu button. Press it once again to reach watch settings. Select it. Press the up button again. Go into system. And go up again twice to go on software update. Select it. Make sure this feature is enabled. This way it will update automatically. And then if you want to make an update just right now or want to check if there's one available, you can select here, check for updates. Your watch will connect to the Wi-Fi to see if there's an update available, but you can also use the Bluetooth to get the update through your phone over the Garmin Connect app. And as you can see now, there is no update available, so you can go back to the home screen. Go back, and there we go. We are done. I hope this was helpful.